We ready for the Super Bowl game. It's party wing season. So I'm cooking in the grease. Some crab legs. In the roaster. Got that garlic and butter, onion, a little seasoning mixed in right there. A little season, a little season, a little something. The shrimp. We ready for that game tonight. Super Bowl. Ready. I mix some daiquiris, like the frozen fruit.